Yo, JBlanked here. I thought my FlipperZero was the peak of portable tech tools, but it turns out I wasn't even close. This one website right here just made my flipper way more powerful by giving it full-blown internet access. And the best part, it took me about a minute. Let me show you how. This little gadget is legendary, right? It's called the Swiss Army knife for geeks and hackers for a reason. Straight out of the box, it's a beast for messing with the world around you. You've got sub-gigahertz for reading stuff like garage door openers, RFID and NFC for cloning keycards, and the infrared blaster that can learn from any remote you own, and even GPIO pins for some real hardware hacking. It's an incredible tool for just learning how things work, but it has one massive weakness, one thing that really holds it back. The FlipperZero has no built-in way to connect to the internet. Now, the folks who made the Flipper gave us a solution, well, part of one. It's the Wi-Fi developer board. It's an official add-on that snaps right into the top and gives the Flipper the hardware it needs for Wi-Fi. But great hardware is only half the story. To actually use it, you need the right software, or more specifically, the right firmware. And this is where things have always gotten messy. For pretty much the Flipper's entire life, getting new firmware into this little Wi-Fi board has been somewhat a pain. The original process meant loading up a command line terminal, downloading special tools, getting the different bin files from GitHub page, and then typing out those long ESP-tool commands to flash them to the board in the exact right order. One typo, one wrong step, and the whole thing fails. And later, it got a bit easier. You could download those files, move them to your Flipper's SD card, and use an on-device app called ESP Flasher to do the flashing. But even that was a multi-step process that involved a lot of file management, and honestly, the hurdle stopped a lot of FlipperZero owners from tapping into one of the device's coolest features. It was intimidating and clunky, the total opposite of the Flipper's whole pick up and play vibe. If you wanted to give your Flipper internet superpowers, you had to earn it. Until now. Let me introduce you to the hero of this video. It's a website called espterminator.com. This site completely changes the game. It's a flasher for ESP32 devices, which is the chip on the Flipper's Wi-Fi board that runs entirely in your web browser. It uses a technology in Google Chrome called Web Serial API, which just means you don't have to install any command line tools, fight with any drivers, or configure any complicated software. All you need is Chrome. So we have the tool, but what are we going to do with it? We're going to install my custom firmware called Flipper HTTP. This code turns a connected ESP32, BW16, or Raspberry Pi Pico device into a perfect bridge between your Flipper and the internet. Once this is on there, your Flipper isn't an island anymore, it's a fully connected device. And what does that actually get you? It opens up a whole new world of apps. Imagine an app store right on your Flipper where you can download new tools directly, no computer needed. Picture a social app for chatting with other Flipper users across the globe. Think about apps that can pull live weather data, check stock prices, or even crawl websites. There's even an open world multiplayer game being developed. All of this becomes possible thanks to Flipper HTTP. We're going from a frustrating, error-prone mess of command lines and manual downloads to a simple, clean experience that takes a few clicks in a web browser. It's the easy mode for upgrading your Flipper that we've all been hoping for. Let me show you how really easy this is. You'll need your FlipperZero, a Wi-Fi dev board, a USB-C cable, and a computer with Google Chrome. That's it. First, we need to put the Wi-Fi board into bootloader mode. This tells the board it's ready for new firmware. To do this, press and hold the little boot button on your board while connecting the USB-C cable to it and your computer. Once it's plugged in, you can let go of the button. The board is now ready. Second, open up Google Chrome and go to espterminator.com if you aren't already. You'll really see a clean, simple interface. Third, in the serial connection section, click the Select Device button, then click Select Serial Port. A pop-up will appear with a list of serial ports. You should see your board listed there. It might be named USB serial or something similar. Just pick it from the list and hit Connect. Next, we need to click Connect Device. Now we are ready to go. Here comes the magic. In the firmware library, select Flipper HTTP. Then in the drop-down menu, select your device type. And the final step, go to the Action section right above it and click the Flash Firmware button. And you're done. Now we have to wait for the flashing to complete. The website is now automatically grabbing the latest Flipper HTTP and flashing them into your board. No command line, no downloads, no stress. A progress bar will fill up and the process will be complete. Now it's time for the fun part. Unplug the board from the computer and plug it right into the GPIO pins on top of our FlipperZero. Let's fire it up and see what we just unlocked. The first thing we need to do is get our Flipper on a Wi-Fi network. For that, we'll use an app called Flip Wi-Fi, which is the companion app for Flipper HTTP. You can grab it from lab.flipper.net, which is the main Flipper app store. I put a link to it in the description below. And then go to your apps section, then the GPIO folder, and then open up Flip Wi-Fi. The app uses our newly flashed board to scan for networks. After scanning, just select your network, right-click to add, and then type in your password using the Flipper's D-pad. And just like that, my FlipperZero is on the internet. So what can we actually do now? Let's open up Flip Downloader. Think of this as an app store that lives on your device. Before, adding new apps meant plugging into a computer or fiddling with the mobile app. Now I can browse a whole catalog of community-made apps and install them straight over the air. That alone is a huge quality of life improvement. Now let's check out some of the live data apps. I can open up Flip Weather and boom, it's pulling a real-time weather forecast. Or I can open an app like Flip Trader to get live stock prices. This data isn't just stored on the Flipper, it's being pulled from online APIs live as we are using it. But this is where it truly gets wild. The community is building things like Flip Social, a social media platform just for the FlipperZero. It can see a feed of posts from other Flipper users, and I can even tap out and post my own messages with the D-pad. We've taken a device that was all about interacting with local offline hardware and plugged it into a global community. The possibilities are just growing every day. People are making web crawlers, information lookup tools, and even online multiplayer games. This isn't just some minor update, it fundamentally changes what the FlipperZero is. It's evolved from a powerful pocket-sized tool into a dynamic, connected platform with its own online ecosystem. And that's how simple it is. In just a few minutes, with a couple of clicks on a website, we gave our FlipperZero full internet access and opened a whole universe of new features. That one huge hurdle, that complicated, scary process of flashing the Wi-Fi board has been totally wiped out by espterminator.com. This makes the full potential of the Flipper accessible to absolutely everyone, whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro. This is more than just a cool trick. It feels like it sets the stage for the future of this device. The community is always building new creative apps that use the internet connection, which means the FlipperZero is only going to get better from here. So, what are you the most excited to try with an internet connected Flipper? I love to hear it, so let me know down in the comments below. And if this video helped you level up your Flipper game, do me a solid and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more deep dives into this awesome little gadget. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.